Hey, Happy New Year, everyone. I'm Fitz, and welcome back to my channel. At the first part of my video, I just showed you a short clip from Frozen 2, which is relevant for today's review. This is Disney Frozen Elsa and Nokk doll set that I'm so excited about. I'm happy and grateful to have these dolls in time for holiday season, so thank you so much to Toys R Us fam. I bought this doll set on sale at Toys R Us Galleria, and look, I'm so amazed by how they kept this doll set with no any dents at the packaging. So I'll rate TRU Galleria 5 stars for this. Great job, guys. This doll set is heavy. I just love the winter cover of the packaging. I swear they do have similar layout design as with the previous doll set, but this time it's all about Elsa and her water spirit horse. The only differences is that this one is in portrait form and this new one is in a landscape form to give way for this large horse inside. The window sides has perpendicular edges. At the right is a picture of Elsa and the horse inside a hexagon. Below is an iconic bust shot of Elsa in her travel dress and a wave design here. At the left corner is the Disney Frozen logo with the caption Elsa and Nokk with three translations underneath and a tiny Mattel logo here. This is what the top cover looks like, and as we flip to the right side, we can see the logo on top and the actual doll and horse inside a purple hexagon, and again the Mattel logo at the bottom right. As we flip to the other side, there is the logo on top, and this time is a stunning image of Elsa wearing the dark sea dress, and her hair is tied on ponytail with the Mattel logo at the bottom. At the back is a beautiful landscape where we can see a complete pair of images at the right, the Disney Frozen logo in a larger font size, and the caption that says, on her epic adventure, Elsa meets the Water Nokk, a mythical water spirit whose strength rivals her own, followed by three translations below. We can see a wavy pattern below that covers much of detailed manufacturing infos and the iconic Mattel tagline, empowering generations through play. This is what the bottom cover looks like. Love the Dodge blue shade with another infos and a barcode. Now it's time for unboxing and see what's inside. The background interior is what looks like the dark sea setting, just like in the film. There are rushes of waves all over, from light to dark shades of blue. There we can see this huge ice glaciers being formed by Elsa with that epic scene. Slightly strange, but it's the perfect artwork for this doll set. The doll and the horse are finally free of their box. I'm gonna start with the horse first. I just love dolls with horses because they're full of whimsy. It adds volume to the aesthetic and they look magical, especially this one, because this is from a blockbuster film. And I consider this horse very unique because it's all blue and the mane and tail is translucent, which is so cool. First, I would say that this horse is of highly durable quality. Second, this horse is a manual type of figure. It's not articulated and elaborative as the older versions, but this is way better than the Hasbro one. I wish that the body has a lighting up feature like the version from the Disney store, but the anti-sing shade of blue gives you an uncanny feeling of the depths of ocean basins. The mane and tail has glorious waves, and there are embedded glitters inside. Impressive. There is a plastic mold below the mane to hold the doll in place. The head mold for the horse, the ears, the eyes were movie accurate. The legs and hooves are cute, well structured. I tried to go on our terrace and make a video of Elsa and Nock. I'm surprised to see that the hollow structure of the horse appear translucent when illuminated by the direct sunlight. Purely majestic. Better than I was expecting. This horse is amazing. To me, this is a great toy for display but is not intended for interactive play. Next is Miss Elsa, and this doll is exactly the same as the other variants made, except that there are additional elements to represent Elsa in her dark sea outfit. She's in ponytail like in the film. I love her dress. It's not one piece, but it's two layers of material in one outfit. There is a white fabric inside, and the outer layer is a sheer blue tulle. I really appreciate the holographic patterns beneath the sleeves, and there are colorful dots all over the dress. Sadly, the design doesn't go through the back. There is the Velcro to fasten the dress. The doll is articulated on head, arms, can sit, and one good thing, she has bendable knees for horseback riding, but she has painted leggings. And she's all in barefoot to coincide with her character in the sequel film. Happy New Year once again, everyone. I hope you enjoy and like this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you wouldn't be missed with my future videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!